Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Face ID not working on iPhone Air. Face ID is your face recognition on the iPhone, and if it's not working, first of all make sure that it is available. I'll tell you later what to do if it's not available. First, let's check it if it's available. So go to settings, then go to Face ID and passcode. And now you should enter your passcode, of course. And now if it says anywhere here that Face ID is not available, then you won't be able to use your Face ID. If that happens, then it's most likely because of a hardware damage, especially after dropping the iPhone, water damage, or screen replacement from a non-authorized repair shop. In those cases, there's a high chance it may not work, and if the hardware failure is there, then it'll either say Face ID is not available. It can also say move iPhone higher or lower, even in good conditions, even if it's fine. And also if your camera is not switching to selfie mode, if you go to the camera app. So let's go there and let's see if it works. But even if you think it may not be available, it is still worth trying to do all the steps that I'm gonna show you, because maybe they'll actually fix the issue. But if they don't, then of course you'll probably need to get it fixed. But before that, let's try restarting the iPhone. We're gonna do a force restart, and to do it you'll need to shortly press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then press and hold power button until screen goes off. So volume up, volume down, press and hold the side button, press and hold all the time. Even if this thing shows up here, don't worry about it, just keep on pressing. Now it's disabled, so yeah, let's wait until the phone turns on, because it's gonna turn on automatically. You'll see an Apple logo shortly. As you can see, I'm gonna get back to you when it's on. Okay, now the phone has restarted, so I'm gonna enter the passcode, and then let's go to the settings. We should check whether all the Face ID settings are correct. So make sure that if you go to the settings and go to Face ID and passcode, that when you enter your passcode, that Face ID is set up. If Face ID is set up, then you'll have a button reset Face ID, because it's already set up, so you can reset it. If it's not set up, then you'll have an option to set up Face ID, not reset Face ID. And now another thing is use Face ID 4 and make sure that iPhone unlock is selected here. If not, then you won't be able to unlock your iPhone with Face ID, so just enable this. But I'd honestly highly recommend resetting your Face ID and resetting it. So let's do it. Now I've clicked on reset Face ID. Let's click on setup Face ID, get started. Now position your face in the frame and rotate your head a little bit so it learns from all the angles. Okay, now I can set up with a mask or without a mask. Well, I'll do it with a mask. And now I'll try resetting it again. Of course, I don't need to wear a mask during that. I just need to set it up again so it learns more of my eye features, you know. Now let's click on done. If you're wearing glasses, remember to add glasses. Here, just wear them and reset up Face ID. If you want, you can set up an alternative appearance when you, for example, like have like a different hairstyle that, let's say, covers your forehead or stuff like that. And then it's also worth setting up an alternative appearance so your phone also lends it. Now, if we go back, also remember to make sure iPhone unlock is enabled, and remember that if require attention for Face ID is enabled, then you will need to look at your phone so your phone discovers your eyes are looking at the screen of your phone, because if you're looking somewhere else it won't unlock. Okay, now we were already checking our camera if it can open in the camera app. But not only should we check that, we should also clean our camera area. So just use a microfiber cloth or any other cloth that is great for screens, and try just gently cleaning it around the dynamic island right here. And then also it's worth actually making sure that your screen protector isn't the issue, because if your screen protector is not working in a way it should, what I mean by that is it's broken somewhere here, there's a bubble underneath your screen protector. You should replace your screen protector so it doesn't affect your phone that much. And now let's get to the next part, which is making sure that your eyes, nose and mouth are fully visible. You're not wearing dark sunglasses or a mask unless you have mask unlock enabled. I've shown you that before. And also, like, if you're wearing prescription sunglasses, make sure to also set them up in the settings, because you know, they change how your eyes appear. Also, make sure you're holding your iPhone at a normal distance from your face, like 10 to 20 inches. And we've already reset the Face ID, so that's great. You may want to add that alternative appearance with like facial hair or makeup or stuff like that. And then also it's worth going to settings and going to general, then software update. And here, if there's any update available, try installing it, because some bugs may be fixed with just new iOS versions. And if nothing of that helped, then it's a great time to visit an Apple store or any authorized service provider. They can run a hardware diagnostics, and there's a high chance they may need to replace your Face ID, but maybe something else also will be, like, there will be an easier solution maybe, and they will charge you less for that. So I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.